Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a good study room. First, clear your space of any distractions or clutter. A tidy environment helps clear your mind. Next, prioritize good lighting. Natural light is best, but a bright, non-glare lamp works wonders. Finally, choose a comfortable, ergonomic chair. You'll be spending many hours here, so comfort and proper posture are key to avoiding discomfort and staying focused. Now, let's talk about ergonomics to maximize your comfort and focus. Your monitor should be about an arm's length away, with the top edge at or slightly below eye level. This prevents neck strain. Adjust your desk so your forearms are parallel to the floor when you type, and your feet are flat on the ground. Keep essential items close by to avoid breaking your concentration. An organized and inspiring space can significantly boost your motivation. Use shelves, drawers, and file holders to keep books, notes, and supplies tidy. A clean desk surface helps reduce visual clutter, allowing your mind to focus better. Add one or two personal touches, like a small plant or a favorite photo, to make the space feel inviting without creating distractions. Finally, let's ensure your study room helps you stay productive. Minimize noise with noise-canceling headphones or by selecting a quiet spot. Maintain a comfortable room temperature, ideally between 68 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit, to prevent discomfort. Remember to take short, 5 to 10-minute breaks every hour or so. This helps prevent burnout and keeps your mind sharp for sustained learning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.